Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you ready to supercharge your trading strategy? In this video, we'll introduce the Sui Cetus Volume Booster, an essential tool for enhancing your trading performance. You'll learn how to configure it, monitor its impact, and integrate it seamlessly into your DEX Volume Bot strategy. Stay tuned, and let's unlock the full potential of Cetus on the Sui blockchain. Before we dive into the details, let's break down what the Sui Cetus Volume Booster is all about. Cetus is a powerful liquidity protocol on the Sui blockchain, designed to provide efficient and scalable trading solutions. The Volume Booster is a specialized feature that enhances liquidity provisioning and trading volume on decentralized exchanges DEX. How does it work? 1. Volume amplification. By strategically deploying liquidity, it boosts trading activity across specific pairs. 2. Market depth enhancement. It improves liquidity depth, ensuring tighter spreads and better pricing for traders. 3. DEX optimization. Optimized for Sui's high-performance infrastructure, the Volume Booster is perfect for maximizing gains on Cetus-powered DEX. Let's get started with configuring the Volume Booster. Here's how to set it up. 1. Connect your wallet. Log into the Cetus platform and connect your Sui-compatible wallet, such as Sui Wallet or Martian. 2. Select a liquidity pool. Identify the trading pairs you want to boost. Look for pools with high potential for volume growth. 3. Allocate liquidity. Deposit funds into the chosen pool. The Volume Booster works best with an adequate initial liquidity allocation. 4. Activate the booster. Enable the Volume Booster feature and configure parameters like target volume and time frame. 5. Confirm settings. Review and confirm your setup to start enhancing trading activity in real time. It's that simple to get started with the Cetus Volume Booster. Once the Volume Booster is active, monitoring its performance is key to optimizing results. Here's what to look out for. 1. Volume metrics. Track daily trading volume increases and evaluate the effectiveness of your booster configuration. 2. Liquidity utilization. Ensure your allocated liquidity is being effectively utilized in the targeted pool. 3. Fee earnings. Monitor the transaction fees generated as a direct result of the increased trading activity. 4. Market trends. Use Cetus's analytics tools to stay updated on market movements and adjust your strategy as needed. With these insights, you can fine-tune your approach for maximum impact. The Cetus Volume Booster becomes even more powerful when integrated with your DEX Volume Bot strategy. Here's how. 1. Enhance liquidity management. Use the booster to amplify liquidity in pools targeted by your bots. 2. Increased volume metrics. Boosted trading pairs attract more users, which helps your bots generate higher profits. 3. Strategic pair selection. Coordinate your bots to focus on pairs that benefit most from the Volume Booster, maximizing rewards and minimizing risks. 4. Synergized automation. Let your bots handle the trades while the booster ensures optimal market conditions for their operations. This integration allows you to leverage the best of both tools for unparalleled trading results. So, why should you add the Sui Cetus Volume Booster to your toolkit? 1. Higher trading volume. Amplify activity in targeted pools, leading to better fee rewards and liquidity incentives. 2. Improved market positioning. Tighter spreads and deeper liquidity attract more traders to your pools. 3. Cost efficiency. On the Sui blockchain, low transaction fees make boosting volume a cost-effective strategy. 4. Customizable parameters. Tailor the booster's settings to fit your trading goals and risk tolerance. With these advantages, the Cetus Volume Booster is a must-have for any serious trader on the Sui blockchain. To maximize the impact of the Volume Booster, follow these best practices. 1. Start small. Begin with modest liquidity allocations to test the waters. 2. Analyze performance. Regularly review volume metrics and adjust your parameters for optimal results. 3. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Cetus and Sui ecosystem updates to leverage new features and opportunities. 4. Diversify pools. Boost multiple trading pairs to spread risk and maximize rewards. By following these tips, you'll ensure the Volume Booster works effectively for your trading strategy. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The Sui Cetus Volume Booster is a game-changing tool for any trader looking to dominate the DeFi space. Ready to take your strategy to the next level? Try the Cetus Volume Booster today and see the difference it makes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cutting-edge blockchain tools and strategies. See you in the next video.